Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the control switch screw on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. So on our oven here, you'll see that we've got a few different knobs, and they're all attached to switches behind them. This one's pretty loose, so we're going to take off this one and show you, but there are two screws holding it in. This one has only one screw, one's missing. That's what's making it loose there, where this one is secure. So grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we're just using a Phillips head screwdriver to put that in. And we're going to screw that in nice and tight, and then just make sure that top screw is tight as well, so that can get loose from it wobbling around. And after that, you put your knob back on, and your repair is complete. So what did the hamburger name its daughter? Patty. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.